What's up, dudes? Let's get, just doing some things here. Nothing much. Girls for girls, guys for the guys. Oh, all jokes aside though, welcome to Raw Reps. I'm Lorenzo, and this is my life.
Hey, welcome back, guys.
We never left.
Oh. Well, my name's John, and we do this for fun.
Hey guys, I'm Matt, and this is Raw Reps. Hope you guys have fun, enjoy the content we put out. We have serious stuff, how-tos, we have funny stuff. Hit the subscribe button, hit that notification button, let us know what you think. Oh my, no.